Page 3 Mridang. Parts of the body. Shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. And eyes and ears. And mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Let's repeat once more. Parts of the body. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. And eyes and ears. And mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Put to the teacher as children sing, they touch the part of the body referred to. This song may be repeated till the child learns the part of the body. New ways of reciting could be thought of by the teacher. Repeat after the teacher. Teacher, I clap with my hands. Children, I tap with my feet. I look with my eyes. I walk with my legs.
Thanks. Please like, share, subscribe.